Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the ID image and immediately making a duplicate background layer so you never edit the original. Use image size only if you need higher resolution. Otherwise, keep pixels as is for best results. Next, create a new empty layer above the duplicate and name it Repair. This is where you'll paint and clone. Once done, turn on Show Layer Bounds and enable the grid to align text removal precisely. Make sure snapping is off for freeform strokes. You now remove the text using a combination of tools because each solves a different problem. Start with the Spot Healing brush, set to Content Aware, and tap lightly over small characters. This preserves texture. For patterned areas, switch to the Clone stamp, sample at 50-70% hardness, and Alt-click a clean area before painting. Vary opacity to blend. When text spans complex regions, use the Patch tool to select and drag to a matching patch. Then refine by painting on the Repair layer and softening edges with a 30% opacity brush. Finish by matching tone and texture so the edit is invisible. You should add a curves or hue/saturation adjustment clip to the Repair layer, nudging midtones and saturation until colors blend. If edges look sharp, apply a subtle Gaussian blur between 0.5 and 2 pixels and then mask back areas that must remain crisp. Make sure to flatten to a copy, not the original. If something goes wrong, undo step by step, toggle layer visibility, and use history states to isolate the mistake before reworking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.